In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to create Canva designs in seconds and make your workflow much faster. Let's get started. All right, the first step is to connect Canva with Claude. First, click on the plus icon, then click on Add Connectors. Now search for Canva and click to connect. After that, click on Allow, and just like that, your Canva account is now connected with Claude. Now let's test it out. I've already created some prompts, so I'll just copy this YouTube thumbnail prompt and paste it here. This prompt basically tells Claude to create a high-click thumbnail using Canva tools with bold text, glow effects, and high contrast colors. Now, within a few seconds, Claude will generate the designs for us. Not too bad. Honestly, this is a really good starting point. And the best part is, these designs are fully editable. You can open them directly in Canva and customize everything however you want. Now let's try something else. I'll copy another prompt. This one is about 5 Instagram hacks and paste it here. And these are the designs it created. Again, it's not perfect, but it's actually pretty decent. Just imagine how much time this can save if you were creating everything from scratch. You can literally type anything you want. For example, I'll just type, "Create an Instagram post about parenting." And here's what it generated. Pretty cool, right? So this is just the beginning of what you can do with Claude and Canva together. It might not replace your creativity, but it can definitely speed up your workflow and give you instant design ideas. Try it yourself, experiment with different prompts, and see what works best for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.